5mm LED. 100 ohm resistance. Resistance connecting with LED positive side. Diode 4007N. Diode negative side connecting with resistance. USB cable. Cable negative wire connecting with LED negative side. Cable positive wire connecting with diode positive wire. Battery holder. Battery negative wire connecting with LED negative side. Battery holder positive wire connecting with diode negative side. .7 battery. Project ready to use.